Yeah. Now, hi. So, hello everyone. Good evening. Again, we'll be sharing, I'll be sharing couple of things from the last testimony, and there are like some new things that we could do in the last 1 month. So I went to as into some of my relatives' place, Rishikesh, and it was like a little sad event. So situation thoda ऐसे ही था. And suddenly I get to know that उनकी जो daughter-in-law है, so from the last 2 days she was not feeling well, and she didn't tell anyone that she is having a heart pain. And suddenly I got to know that she is lying in one room, and I just went to her. एंड मैंने किसी को नहीं बताया था ऐसे कुछ हीली के बारे में अभी कि मेरे पास ऐसा कुछ है, बिकॉज वो एक डेथ का इवेंट था, तो मैं किसी को मतलब अभी क्या बात करती. तो आई वाज लाइक, एंड व्हेन आई एंटर्ड द रूम, द हस्बैंड, आई मीन उसका हस्बैंड उसको लेके जा रहा था कि चल चल डॉक्टर के पास चलते हैं. एंड आई सेड कि क्या हुआ है, एंड देन शी टोल्ड मी, एंड देन उन्होंने मुझे बताया. एंड I just told him that, just give me 1 hour, okay? Just give me 1.5 hour. In case, I'm able to change the situation, then it's fine. Otherwise, you take her to the doctor. Because वो थोड़ा village area था और वहाँ पे रात को डॉक्टर मिलना बहुत मुश्किल था. And it was already, 7:30, quarter to 8. And I just did 3-4 analysis. एंड मैंने देखा कि उसका सबसे मेजर इमोशन क्या, थोड़ी थोड़ी बात करती रही बिकॉज थोड़ा कोचिंग एक्सपीरियंस है, तो थोड़ा काउंसलिंग साथ साथ चलती रही. एंड आई कुड रिलेट दैट विच इज द मोस्ट स्टक इमोशन दैट शी हैज. And I found that that is impacting through the backflower. I got to know that, and the fistula salts, I got to know that it is impacting the bones and something in the being. And then I ran one program, and you won't imagine, like in 1 hour, she was all set. She went back to the kitchen. She completed all her work, and
I'm sorry, Mira.
everybody got
After
to
the
know
raise
that.
the hand. She was
Yeah,
taking the hand.
sorry. Okay.
Yes, please continue.
Yeah. So this was one, and everybody was amazed that what is this? What do you have? And then I got to tell a couple of people that what it is. So this was one, and I was like really glad that how she could, because I never knew her. मुझे कभी नहीं मिले थे, and I was like so happy that I could help someone, and she has become like my close friend and close to me. The next what I have is that I went to again. So while coming back from that place only, suddenly it was not I mean it was out of blue that I went to a place जहाँ पे मेरा plan नहीं था. And I रास्ते में मुझे पता चला, I knew that something is definitely there for me. That's why God wants me to go from this way. On the way, I get to know that there is a girl in their family who is like hardly 17, and she has attempted to harm her life. So, and I was like, मुझे समझ आ गया, ठीक है, why I'm going to this place. I did her analysis, रातों रात उन्होंने उसको बुलाया, and I did her analysis, and I did the counseling and all that, and I could see what is going on. And I was able to, with a couple of discussions and with couple of like 1 or 2 detoxes, I was able to bring her out of that situation. And I saw her dancing, like in some of the videos after a couple of days when it was Lodi. So I felt so relaxed that, and her mother called me and she was like कि आप जानते नहीं हो, आपने हमें हमारी कितनी मदद करी है, मेरी बेटी को इतना आपने वो कर दिया है, वो आपकी बात सुन रही है, ये तो हमारी बात सुन ही नहीं रही थी. So I'm like so happy that I've, as I said last time also, that God has given us the space to help other people and do something. So another one that I have is that I'm currently working. There are like 2-3 more cases that I'm working as, it's like a in progress thing for me. And as in one of our another person only from Pune, and she had a neck pain, so she is finding relief. I was giving her detox, she felt better, then I had to stop. Then again she said no, 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 please start. So I know she's also there on the call. So yes, she also felt a lot of changes, so I'm glad that whatever help that we could provide. Last thing what I want to say is that that why we really need this in our life, because मैंने भी ना मीनल मैम से कहीं ना कहीं इंस्पायर होकर लिया था, because I had a similar situation at home. एंड दो मेरा सिचुएशन बहुत 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 इम्प्रूव हो चुका था ऑलरेडी, पर फिर भी मुझे ये था कि अगर मेरे बेटे को एक थोड़ा सा भी हेल्प कर सकता है ना, तो मुझे ये चाहिए. So then that's how I brought this. And then one day, it was like 1 o'clock in the night, and I saw my son was coughing. And he was coughing very badly. तो मुझे लग रहा था कि मैंने कहा मतलब I was like so much in deep sleep because उसके एक दिन पहले मैं सोई नहीं थी ढंग से. And I could not get up, and I just searched because उससे पहले मैं प्रोग्राम ले रही थी, तो it was in my pocket. मैंने नींद नींद में मतलब हिली निकाला है, प्रोग्राम चलाया शिवर का, अपने पीछे पास ऑन किया, बेटे को लगवाया, एंड आई स्लेप्ट, एंड ही ऑल्सो स्लेप्ट. I was like, and next day morning also, again, I gave him like before going to school, and we realized that he's not coughing anymore. And I realized that what else do we need, right? बेड से उठना नहीं पड़ा, बच्चे को उठाना नहीं पड़ा कि ये सिर्फ ले लो या ये कर लो, या कोई मेडिसिन का नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट नहीं आया. एंड आई could not, I cannot ask anything more from God. I think I feel so good that we have got something which is like going to be of like not just our help, as in it's a asset for our child. I'm rest assured about his life, for us also. So thank you so much, and I'm going to share all the remaining